Hello, I'm Mansi Khode. I'm from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I'm currently working with Sami Foundation as a volunteer, and this is a non-profit governmental organization that aims to work for the upliftment and betterment of the society. We work on creating awareness about environmental and social issues. Today I'm talking about birds water feeder. Importance of birds feeder in cities. Birds feeders provide an uninterrupted supply of food. Through birds feeders, you provide birds a reliable source of year-round supply of food and water. With birds feeders acting as a natural food suppliers, birds have a reliable source and plentiful source of food to keep them well fed and thriving. So help us do good work for environmental and animals.